What's up, guys? The best programmer in the world is here. Today we're gonna be coding in Python. It's the best programming language in the world. And those of you who find programming very hard, this is for you noobs. So we'll start by using a simple calculator app. I'm not gonna make it so difficult for you guys, so our calculator is just gonna do some addition. So obviously we'll start by we start by getting some inputs, or couple of input. Once you have the first input, then we'll we'll get the second input. Once you have the input, then we're gonna do some simple logic today. So if any of you are familiar with if-else clause, we'll be using that. So if something or else, that's the syntax. So let's create the if-else statement. So first we're gonna check if a is equals to 1 and b is equals to 0, and then we print 1. Let's copy that and paste it several times, and and we do the opposite here, and then if it is 1 we type 2, if it is 2 and 1 we type it's 3, I think. If it is 3 and 1 we do 4. Okay, so I have finished writing the code. As I mentioned before, I want to make it simple, so the calculator is only able to calculate until 100. It means if you provide 2 hundreds, it will be able to spit out 200. If you want it to calculate more, you can follow the same logic, and this way you will be able to calculate infinite numbers. So I hope you learned something new. Leave a like, subscribe. See you noobs.